guys. Over here on 19th Avenue in Palo Verde, I saw Phoenix PD. They were all bunched up, and then they left, and I saw them come down here. I hear yelling. It's the police.
So?
Oh, he does that. He comes around and records.
Okay, don't record me, please.
It's one of our first.
It's one of, oh, the right to what? What's the First Amendment?
Well, you have
And the right to record?
we
So I
have,
can record you guys right now?
Yes, you can. You can record them.
Thank you, because tell them they're harassing with me. I'm just kidding, they're not
You're
harassing.
allowed to leave whenever you want to.
That's why I'm here, because the DOJ investigated them for this exact thing.
What happened? From messing with prostitutes?
They were found guilty.
What happened?
That's why they're crying. They're crying in their soup now.
No, but we have no expectation of privacy because we're public.
Where's your guys' camera? You guys don't have it out here? My real name?
You don't have to answer that.
I didn't say you.
You don't have to.
My nickname's Bonnie.
Bonnie?
Bonnie.
Bonnie?
Yeah.
You at least have pepper spray or something?
It's in my room. I don't have problems because I don't have problems out here.
No, yeah.
No. I never have one.
Bonnie, do you have any kids?
I have a daughter.
Kids?
I have one.
One daughter? How old?
She's 5.
5?
Yeah.
Is she here in LA?
No, she's in LA. I don't mix my lifestyle with parenting, you know?
That's all. That's all.
But that's why I stopped here, guys.
Yes.
Where's,
I have been looking for him for over 4 weeks doing this. They've been in protest of the DOJ investigation and decided not to do any patrolling. So so that's why I get out here to see if they were still out. Out patrolling, and I saw these 3. They're driving around talking to the ladies, blocking up the road, and what they were hoping is that they could get her ID and run her for wants and warrants.
Y'all keep fucking with me and I keep not making money, then I'm leaving.
I mean, I would. Yeah, we'll go.
Where did you come from? Where did you
Yeah, it has to be. Well, not really. They can protest against it and have it to where I can't.
Why
Yeah.
do you get to be by yourself? Why do you get to be by
Oh,
yourself?
we like to be there. Take that as you will. I'm on camera.
Huh? It was this white girl earlier. White girl, blonde hair.
Yeah?
What's your partner?
I don't know.
She's very rude to me.
Oh, really?
She snatched my arm up and almost down and broke my wrist.
Yeah?
Yeah, they put up on me down there. It was fight. I didn't
Well,
fight.
if you ever want to make a complaint, call an armor.
So they don't work. They do work with you guys. They're the police.
They're a separate.
I know they rent out that little spot over there.
Yeah.
You guys help them pick us up though. When they tell you guys to. Yeah, I know.
So that's why I stopped here, guys. As soon as they knew that I'm here recording, they.
You guys really don't want to fuck with us, but you guys have to. I know you guys don't.
I really don't care about it. I care about the women. The women and run them over like you guys like to.
What?
Yeah. Actually, no, it was a John.
Oh no, yeah. My best friend works out here. She got fucking a trick, call it trick.
I know.
A trick fucking ran her over and she flew into a cactus. And her whole body's fucked up now.
Yeah. So that's the shit that's going on.
But that happens down there. Down here, it's
It
quiet.
happens
This
over
is
here.
the
We had
pet.
a hostess John over here the other day.
No.
Yeah.
Where? Over here?
They were telling her that I'm allowed to record him. He said he does this all the time, so he knows that I'm part of this community.
Everybody has guns out here.
That was an undercover.
So I can't even get it registered out here? So what if I get an address out here? Oh, I have to have address out here? Alright, bye guys. That's during my traffic stop.
I was just here for your protection
Thank you. What they do?
because they have been investigated for doing this exact thing.
Messing with us, huh?
Stopping and illegal detainment, messing with the homeless.
Yeah.
They were found out. I don't want to put you on camera.
Yeah.
I just record the police.
Yeah.
But you have every right to be in public, and of course, you know,
Yeah.
they're aware of what you're out here for.
Right.
They stop and they say, hey, I'm just here checking on you, but their real concern is to try and get your ID, to run you for wants and warrants, to take you to jail, to get you off the street.
Right.
And this is what they do. And I've been doing this for 8 years, and this video is a lot of the reason why they were investigated, because it shows that they're out here violating people's rights. So when I saw them talking to the person up here and then they turned around and came this way and I saw them stop, I knew exactly what they were here for.
Right.
And I don't want to record you. I want to record them doing the wrong thing. And I'm glad you got a phone. Yes, absolutely. As soon as they pull up, you're allowed to record them.
Mm-hmm.
It is your right to do so.
Right.
Your first question is to ask if they have their body cam footage on.
Mm-hmm. That's why I asked them if they had their body cam.
If they don't turn it on, then they're up to no good.
Right.
And it's always your right to record the police. You don't have to say a word to them. It's if they don't have you for a crime, they're not allowed to ask you any questions. You don't have to, they can ask you any questions, but you're not obligated to answer them. That is the law. So that's why I was here. My name is on YouTube is Spittin' Cobra.
Okay, Bonnie.
Spittin' Cobra
I'ma
Cop
follow
Watch.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Be safe out here, okay? Spittin' Cobra out here in Phoenix. They were stopping and asking this lady of the night a bunch of questions. She actually said that they were there messing with her. But when I came up with the camera, their attitudes totally changed. But this is what, and I told the lady this is what the DOJ was investigating, them doing this exact thing. And yes, they're crying in their cornflakes. Most likely those two officers were, I would say, not on the force for a long time. The ones that are on the force for a long time are protesting against the DOJ and their findings, saying that if they have to go through a government overlook, that they're gonna quit. But yeah, I saw them stop down here on the corner and I knew exactly what they were doing. So I broke out the camera. I'm out here on 27th Avenue in Palo Verde. I'm out.